Hi everyone, welcome back to Will Small Engines. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys why your lawnmower may backfire and not start, and that the spark plug is the issue. Okay, so if your lawnmower backfires like this when you're trying to start it, that means that the spark plug is the wrong one for the engine. And okay, so now we're going to remove the old one, and I'm going to show you the correct one for the engine, and yeah. Okay, so on the left here, we have the spark plug that came out of the engine, and it's the wrong one. The correct, and on the right here, we have the correct spark plug. This is an E3.18, and that is the correct spark plug for this style of Briggs & Stratton engine. This one here is an NGK R FR5, and it is the wrong spark plug for the engine. It makes it backfire and not start. Okay, so now I'm going to install the new spark plug, and we're going to see if it runs, and hopefully it does, because yeah. Okay, so now we're going to fire it up and see if it starts. Woohoo! Well, as you just saw there, the spark plug was the issue, and there you go. So thank you for watching, and consider giving the video a like, or maybe even subscribing if you want to see more small engine content like this. See ya!